Hi, my name is Patrice Tousse, and today I will be recapping or reflecting on what I've learned thus far in the MIS course. Now I'm going to cover 4 things that stood out to me the most in that class, in the first class, and it was what is MIS, the importance of MIS, the difference between MIS and IT, what is data, and the difference between LAN and WAN. So, first I must just give a little summary of what I thought, what I expected of this course. To be quite honest, I thought that the class was more about mathematics for some strange reason, and IT was IT, being on the computer. But I had no idea that MIS was mostly about technology, right? So, I've learned that MIS refers to the complementary networks of hardware and software cooperating to collect, process, store, and disseminate information. And it is important because it creates an impact on organizations' functions, performance, and productivity. The difference between MIS and IT is MIS is a larger infrastructure, whereas IT is one component of that infrastructure that is used for collecting and transmitting data. So I have an example. IT could be a particular interface that helps users input data into a MIS operation. Data, on the other hand, means raw facts and figures that we would use to get useful information. So it's like the research, the raw information that doesn't make any sense, and you have to make sense out of it, right? I also learned the difference between LAN and WAN, which is LAN is usually used for household, domestic, meaning we would use it at home because it has a smaller spacing, right? If we move from this spacing, when we leave home, we would not have no access to the internet. So when we are home, we will have access to the internet via our telephone, with our smartphones, meaning our smart TVs, our computers, our laptops, etc. But WAN is just a bigger part of WAN to see, because it uses a wider range, right? So it covers places that have branches like the banks, because that is an institution with different outlets throughout Trinidad and Tobago. And I would use Custat as the example. If you go to San Fernando campus and you decide that you would like to do a class in Port of Spain, and you get down to Port of Spain, the persons that are working there in the administrative departments will be able to access your information that was given and recorded at the San Fernando outlet or branch campus, as we would say. So it doesn't matter where in Trinidad you are. Once you are at a Custat in outlet campus, you can access the same information. It would not be unavailable to you, the students, wherever you go. And I think those thing stood out the most to me because it gave me a wider understanding of what they actually mean besides what I think they meant. It's a clearer picture now in my head. I can actually see that if someone is to ask me a couple of years from now, I will be able to give that information to them. So I will be wrapping here. This will be the end of today's journal, and I will see you guys soon with the other things that I've learned throughout the course.